In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text size for Table Visual Power BI. If your table looks cramped or inconsistent, adjusting the text size is a quick way to improve readability and give your report a cleaner, more professional look. We'll walk through where to find the settings and how to update the key parts of a table without changing anything else in your design. First, click on the table visual to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the outline and the resize handles around the table on the canvas. This matters because any formatting changes you make apply to the visual that's currently active. If nothing is selected, the options you need might not show up, or you might end up editing the wrong visual. Next, head over to the Visualizations pane and open the Format tab. Depending on your version, this may look like a paint roller or a format icon. This is the hub for all visual level styling. Once you're in the Format tab, you'll notice that the table's appearance is broken into sections, so you can fine-tune each part without affecting the others. Inside the Format tab, you can edit every element of the table related to text size. The most common areas you'll adjust are values, column headers, row headers, subtotals, and grand totals. Each of these has its own controls, which means you can make your headers bold and large for emphasis, keep the values slightly smaller for balance, and scale subtotals and grand totals so they stand out just enough. To make a change, simply expand the section you want. For example, open values to adjust the body text of the table, or open column headers to change the size of the headers at the top. When you expand a section, you'll see a text size option. Use the slider or type a number to set the size that works best for your layout. These sizes are independent, so you can create a visual hierarchy that guides the viewer's eyes from headers to values to totals. As you tweak sizes, glance back at the canvas to see how the table responds. If a size feels too large, dial it back so your columns don't get truncated. Keep accessibility in mind. Larger text can help readability, especially on smaller screens or in presentations. Aim for consistency across your report, so different tables feel cohesive. That's all there is to it. Select the table, open the Format tab, expand the parts you want to change, and adjust the text size for values, headers, subtotals, and grand totals. Quick, clear, and effective.